Chavi, when you entered Ace My Prep, that was last year, May, correct?
Yeah.
So, what was your profile like at that time versus what exactly is the profile that we have right now? I believe there's a drastic difference.
Yeah, there
Yeah.
is actually. Initially, I wanted to pursue psychology only, but my CV portrayed like a content writer profile or a social media position profile. Yeah. Even Karthik sir, firstly, when saw my profile, so he was like, कि interest तो psychology में है, profile wise तो ये लग रहा है. So yeah, then we जैसे मेरी प्रोफाइल के अकॉर्डिंग एंड वट एवर माई नीड्स एंड द लॉन्ग टर्म शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स वर सो वी बनाया एक मतलब प्रोफाइल एनहांसमेंट प्लान वी मेड एंड we incorporated all the research publications and what internships I can pursue. Kartik sir really helped me found various certificate courses, workshops and all. And so yeah, अब 1 year approx 1 year हो ही गया gap year लिए हुए. So I have like invested a lot of time in enhancing my profile. So yes, अब लगता है कि हाँ psychology pursuant की एक है aspirant की profile है.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to yet another Ace My Prep podcast. And today we are here to discuss and get a reality check on pursuing Master of Science in Psychology from the US. And today we have with us Chavi, our dear student who got 2 offers from the US, and her career strategist Karthik Sharma to take forward this discussion. So, hi Karthik. Hi Chavi. Welcome to the podcast. So, Chavi, how are you feeling with 2 offers right now? How are you feeling?
So basically, I am having mix of emotions. Firstly, I am happy. It has boosted my confidence because initially I wasn't really sure that I will be getting a single offer. But yeah, I have got. And at the same time, moving abroad is a big decision and it is overwhelming at the same time.
Alright, so Karthik, right now we have an offer for clinical mental health counseling, correct?
Yeah.
तो आप आए थे साइकोलॉजी के लिए एंड नाउ वी have got into something that's niche. How did we finalize that this is the course that we have to move ahead with?
Okay. So, first of all, I think when Chavi came in, so the first thing that we did was that was the onboarding call. When I got to know her profile and कि हम क्या देखना चाहते हैं, what are the short term goals, long term goals, plus विद इन साइकोलॉजी अगर आपके पास कोई नीश नहीं है, जेनरिक साइकोलॉजी का उतना ज़्यादा आप स्कोप नहीं कर सकते, राइट? बिकॉज इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर अ मास्टर्स प्रोग्राम देन ईदर डू इट इन अ वेरी स्पेसिफिक फील्ड और you have to pick a niche because वहाँ से डायरेक्ट आप licensure की तरफ जाओगे, right? So when Chavi came in, I think the first thing that we discussed was there was MS psychology, then clinical psychology, then counseling psychology, then clinical mental health psychology. So there were these different terminologies. So the first thing that we did was to clear the confusion and to see the options, we first created a job profile sheet, course options and job profile sheet. So that is particularly where we listed down all the courses कि उस course में क्या पढ़ाया जाता है. After that course, what kind of job roles I can get into, what would be the companies or the clinics or what kind of employees I will be getting, and कि कितना average salary रहेगा, right, after that course. So that was the first thing that we did, clear out the confusion कि हमें करना क्या है particularly, and then we moved on to the next steps. So वहाँ पे I think Chavi chose which option? I think clinical.
Clinical and counseling, we were open to both the programs.
Correct. So that's how we came to that conclusion because in our under graduation आपका जो बैचलर्स होता है साइकोलॉजी में, उसमें ये सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ाए जाते हैं. There's a mixture of all of the types of psychologies. Correct. तो वहाँ से उनको बेसिक आइडिया तो था, but to be into more specifics, हमने वो शीट बनाई to clear out all the details and doubts कि अब हमें एग्जैक्टली क्या करना है. देन वी केम टू अ डिसीजन कि हम क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी देखेंगे प्लस काउंसलिंग साइकोलॉजी के लिए वी आर ऑल्सो ओपन. सो we then decided to compare the curriculums and see a lot of other things that then we came to a conclusion.
Got it. All right. So, Chavi, when you entered Ace My Prep, that was last year, May, correct?
Yeah.
So, what was your profile like at that time versus what exactly is the profile that we have right now? I believe there's a drastic difference.
Yeah, there is actually. Initially, I wanted to pursue psychology only, but my CV portrayed like a content writer profile or a social media position profile. Yeah. Even Karthik sir, firstly, when saw my profile, so he was like, कि interest तो psychology में है, profile wise तो ये लग रहा है. So yeah, then we जैसे मेरी प्रोफाइल के अकॉर्डिंग एंड वॉट एवर माई नीड्स एंड द लॉन्ग टर्म शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स वर, सो वी बनाया एक मतलब प्रोफाइल एनहांसमेंट प्लान वी मेड एंड वी incorporated all the research publications and what internships I can pursue. Kartik sir really helped me found various certificate courses, workshops and all. And so yeah, अब 1 year approx 1 year हो ही गया gap year लिए हुए. So I have like invested a lot of time in enhancing my profile. So yes, अब लगता है कि हाँ psychology pursuant की एक है aspirant की profile है.
Perfect. So I believe profile enhancement was the highlight of this entire journey, right?
That's true. So profile enhancement may be like that's what we do. First we understand the profile. उसमें gaps identify करते हैं. Then we started to look at कि okay what are the things that we can do. Because May से लेके till our application period we had a lot of time, so we had to utilize it to and not do quantity things but quality things, qualitative things, right? क्योंकि like as Chavi mentioned कि courses, right? So आपके जो courses हैं they have to be accredited. जैसे हमने APA से American Psychological Association से did around 3-4 courses, right?
Yeah.
Which made the profile even more relevant and also more of a world global perspective कि अच्छा you know she knows what psychology is there and कैसे पढ़ाया जाता है, क्या content रहता है. So that was courses. Then we had internships. I think when Chavi came in, there were 3-4 internships. Now we
Yeah.
have 8.
That too, that were not in psychology as such.
So we did it. She did 8 internships, and I think उसके बाद we focused. I think she also did a certificate course in psychology itself.
Yeah, counseling and psychotherapy course.
Okay.
That is completed last month only.
Acha.
Yeah.
Got it.
So education section maybe we have one more thing that is the certificate course. So everything was planned and एक roadmap हमारे पास था with the profile management plan. Then we also had different things like GRE GMAT was not a compulsion, so we didn't have that. तो हमने वो पहले ही check off कर दिया था from the profile management plan.
Even you were not interested in taking a GRE. मतलब इससे क्या हो सकता है?
Initially, we thought of that we will be taking it if the university requirements are there, but then the universities that we finalized, so the waiver was given by them.
All right. Got it.
Right. Then उसके बाद we had article writing, basically medium articles. So to showcase our knowledge about clinical psychology, because that was something which was hidden, right? So when we started to discuss about it, topics दी हमने discuss करें अच्छा इस topic पे हम लेंगे. So we published 3-4 articles. Then Chavi was already working on research. Those research को highlight करना encourage हुआ है. So everything was planned. It was more like a roadmap across the next 3-4 months. or 5-6 months what exactly we'll be picking every month and कोई break नहीं होगा. So in her CV the best thing is आपने उसको gap year बोलो, gap year नहीं. We have done a lot of things and have proper groups, proper timelines for it. So that was the main highlight of the profile. राइट एंड जो हमें प्रॉब्लम्स भी आए उसमें टैकल भी करे हमने उसको भाई इंटर्नशिप्स में भी कोई लर्निंग आती है एक टाइम के बाद वो लर्निंग आपकी बहुत रिडक्टेड हो जाती है राइट. सो उसको कैसे ओवरकम करना है राइट. देन वी फाउंड मोर इंटर्नशिप्स और अच्छा कहाँ पे हम अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. सो वी केप्ट ऑन गोइंग एंड आई थिंक Chavi has put in a lot of hard work उस सीन को इतना लंबा करने के लिए. So even including NGOs, volunteering work, so everything was related to psychology, some or the other way. So that is the major aspect that we followed in the profile management plan.
Got it. So what was your biggest challenge when you got her profile initially? Was this the major challenge?
This was, I would not consider it as a major challenge. I think it was, I will not even call it a setback. But I feel कि एक gap था वो fill करना था बस, right? So the biggest challenge, I would not say it a challenge, but the 3-year degree part is the biggest challenge that we both faced क्योंकि उसकी वजह से we didn't have a lot of options, we didn't have a lot of universities because US में they need a 4-year bachelor's degree.
Yes.
So I think that was a major challenge. Second was I think to align the profile, right? But again that was a challenge that we could overcome by adding on to things and making it more aligned. But 3-year degree को आप 4-year degree convert नहीं कर सकते, right? Like आप पीछे जाके उसको 4 साल का equivalent नहीं कर सकते. So that was one of the major challenges and उस time पे we were awaiting our final semester results. तो हमारा जो academic score I think that was 7.8 fifth semester तक, फिर वो 8.1 हो गया. बट हम 7.8 के हिसाब से चल रहे थे कि 7.8 है. So that was the biggest challenge I feel.
All right, got it. And what exactly right now, Chavi, because aapne profile enhancement you have put in a lot, how even Karthik mentioned. What is the importance of research when it comes to your profile building?
I think research is the area which is of utmost importance because in the field of psychology, everyone manages to do internships and all. And हर कोई इंटरेस्टेड नहीं होता रिसर्च करने में बिकॉज इट इन्वॉल्व्स अ लॉट ऑफ रिव्यू ऑफ लिटरेचर मेथडोलॉजी एंड स्टेटिस्टिकल पार्ट इज द वन थिंग जो कहते हैं ना मैथ से बच्चे जो होते हैं वो दूर भागते हैं सो स्टैट्स इज द वन थिंग इन साइकोलॉजी विच एवरी साइकोलॉजी लवर हेट्स बट येस इट इज ऑफ इम्पोर्टेंस बिकॉज जो भी आप साइकोलॉजिकल कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ते हो इन टर्म्स ऑफ जैसे क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी है सो इफ वी टेक डिमेंशिया सो डिमेंशिया के क्या अभी पॉपुलेशन रेट प्रिवलेंस क्या चल रहा है इंटरवेंशन स्ट्रैटेजीज वगैरह कि उसमें भी इट हेल्प्स अ लॉट द रिसर्च एरिया.
All right, got it. So, abhi when it comes to licensure part, right? So this was one question जो मेरे दिमाग में personally था that students usually don't take up such courses जहाँ पे licensure required हो क्योंकि आप अभी जाके you are confined to that area कि आप सिर्फ वहीं practice कर सकते हो and if you want to go somewhere else and practice फिर वहाँ का अलग test होता है. So what was this licensure procedure for this course that we took right now?
So basically the licensure procedure जो है firstly we have to complete a master's program which has to be accredited by the counseling association of that particular state and after that so if we talk about Indiana for instance so वहाँ पर once you have completed the course you will be able to give a national counseling examination that's there and then apply for basically licensed professional licensed counselor professional associate and once you get the title of the associate you are allowed to complete some particular I think 2500 to 3000 clinical supervision hours are required and once you are able to complete it uske baad you can apply for the full fledged licensure and all and uske liye bhi there are a different examination and all so basically my thing was I actually from the starting only I wanted to work in a hospital setting and all so uske liye licensure is very important chahe if we see for as in the aspect of counselor or clinical psychologist so pursue करने के लिए and particular niche में work करने के लिए इस hospitality उसके अंदर तो it is required.
All right.
सो लाइसेंचर में भी आई थिंक साइकोलॉजी के लिए लाइसेंचर के लिए पहले आपको पूरा समझना पड़ता है बिकॉज इट इज ऑल स्टेट वाइज इसमें जो स्टेट्स हैं उनके बेसिस पे सबका रूल अलग है राइट ऐसा नहीं है कि आपका हर एक स्टेट का जो रूल है वो हर जगह एप्लीकेबल है इट्स नॉट across the country it depends on the various regions as well वो उतना niche हो जाता है so state wise was the first thing because जैसे न्यूयॉर्क है न्यूयॉर्क में आपका लाइसेंस मिलना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है राइट देन कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटीज आपकी एक्रेडिटेड है कुछ यूनिवर्सिटीज होंगी जो जिनके पास वो एक्रेडिटेशन नहीं होगा देन कहीं पे सुपरविजन आवर्स जैसे छवि ने मेंशन किया 2500 to 3000 आवर्स है राइट सो कहीं पे दैट इज 4000 आवर्स कहीं पे इट इज 1000 आवर्स राइट बट जो आपका एंट्रेंस टेस्ट है that in every state conducts its own entrance test. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक ही एंट्रेंस टेस्ट है अक्रॉस द कंट्री बट इट इज डिफरेंट टेस्ट फॉर डिफरेंट स्टेट्स सो वहाँ पे हमारा स्ट्रैटेजी वाज कि पहले हम लाइसेंस बिकॉज प्रोफाइल एनहांसमेंट शीट पे वी सी द वर्कस्टेशन तो वहीं पे एक ऊपर लाइसेंसर करके एक लिंक है सो वी यूज्ड टू स्टडी इट अंडरस्टैंड इट कि अच्छा कौन सा स्टेट बेटर रहेगा कहाँ पे हमें और ऐसे और स्टेट्स पे फोकस करना चाहिए यूनिवर्सिटीज पे फोकस करना चाहिए एंड देन इट बिकम्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन टर्म्स ऑफ मेकिंग द शॉर्टलिस्ट बिकॉज आप पूरे कंट्री का शॉर्टलिस्ट बना दोगे बट आपका लाइसेंसर रिक्वायरमेंट कितना हम कर सकते हैं कितना हमारी कैपेसिटी में है प्लस कितना वाइबल है टू डू दैट बिकॉज कई बार बहुत अनरियलिस्टिक लिखा होता है उस पे लाइसेंसर लेना राइट इट इज डिफिकल्ट फॉर इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स इवन डोमेस्टिक स्टूडेंट्स एज वेल
Okay.
सो वी हैड टू बी वेरी केयरफुल across the conditions की क्या conditions हैं क्या है is it possible or not then we created a shortlist that's how we created a shortlisting part so licensure is very important अगर आप psychology के लिए जा रहे हो if you are not a licensed psychologist or licensed counselor then
there is no point of doing psychology.
Got it. तो अभी how did we entirely bifurcate the timeline? May से लेके up to this is March.
Okay.
So May से March, can you explain the timeline to me once?
ठीक है. So when Chavi joined in May, I
हाँ.
think it was first midweek of mid May, right?
Okay.
So May, June, July, we had our result in July.
July.
So these 3 months we waited for the result, and within these 3 months we created our profile management plan and we started working on it. We didn't sit idle for even a single month. So that was the thing कि कुछ भी करना है, चाहे छोटी चीज करे, आर्टिकल देखे, कुछ भी करे, but we have to keep ourselves in touch with the subject, with the subject matter as well.
Absolutely.
So till July, we waited for the result. When the results came in, they were exceptional. 8.1 CGP, I think, बहुत अच्छा score है for LSR. Definitely, it's a very good score. Then after July, the first step was that we started the VES process.
Okay.
Because US में ये condition है कि अगर कुछ universities में that there are universities who accepts a 4-year degree, आप सिर्फ 4-year degree accept करते हैं. There are universities who say we accept 4-year degree but you have to get your VES done if you are an international student. Then there are some set of universities who say that आपका 3-year degree from an international institution is valid but आपको VES evaluation submit करना पड़ेगा, right? So we were targeting the third category of the universities. जहाँ पे 3-year degree accepted है, plus 3-year degree के साथ VES accepted है, right? So VES, if I say it in simple words, जो आपकी 3-year degree है, उसको convert कर देता है into a 4-year degree, equivalent to a 4-year degree, and they give you a GP out of 4. So हमारे केस में 8.1 came out to be 3.79 out of 4. So that's a very good GPA, which is above average in the basic criteria of admission requirements. So that was the first step after July. VES का process took around 3 months. July, August, September. So when September came in, in these 3 months जब VES का process चल रहा था, we focused on shortlisting, right? Shortlisting and finalization की, understanding the filters. अब जैसे कि Shali's dad was also very much involved in the process. उन्होंने बहुत inputs दिए. We used to have sessions, discussions, उनके filters समझना. So there were major filters of location. That was the first thing, right? We were looking at Texas first. Texas में भी we applied to major universities in Texas. Texas because
A relative lives there.
अच्छा, okay.
relative is there. Plus वहाँ पे आपका जो licensure requirement है is particularly not very difficult, easy रहता है.
Comparatively
easy है for a student, international student.
Got it.
Plus right now Texas is a very good state to be in because of the taxes and everything. So it's a very good state to be in. So उस टाइम पे जो 3-4 months था हमारा, that we went around these discussions.
Okay.
There were hiccups, there were a lot of things, and shortlisting पे I think there were 3 sheets that we created. And those 3 sheets में से there was just one sheet which is options confirmed, जहाँ पे हमारे सारे list of probable options हैं.
Okay.
So that time we spent there in these 3 months, and once we came down to, we all, me, Chavi and her dad, we came down to कि यार ये हमारे major filters हैं, ये set of universities हमारे filters में बैठी हैं, इसमें से we apply.
Okay.
ठीक है. So I remember कि licensure का एक column था उसमें, then there is deadlines, like tuition fee, living expenses, then the location, right? उसके बाद university का ranking, right? So a lot of things were there. Then finally in September and October, we started off with our application process.
Okay, so सारे round 1 में apply करें?
हाँ, psychology में rounds नहीं होते हैं.
Okay.
Psychology में there is like 2 deadlines, 2 application deadlines. One is priority and one is regular.
Okay.
So we targeted कि जिसका priority है उसमें priority करें, and there were some universities जहाँ पे एक ही deadline था. So our focus was कि we have to get finished with the applications before January, February. That was our target.
So ideally, what is the deadline for psychology students?
Ideally, it is somewhere in January, February.
This is the normal deadline. Yes.
This is the normal.
And priority deadline?
Priority was somewhere in December. November, December. हाँ.
Okay, all right, got it.
So our major motive was कि जितना जल्दी अप्लाई करेंगे उतना जल्दी we'll hear back, because psychology का decisions आने में बहुत time लगता है. Because once they close their final deadline, only then they start evaluating your profile. उससे पहले वो profile evaluate नहीं करते. So this is the timeline that we followed. थोड़ा बीच में ऊपर नीचे भी हुआ, but I think that is bound to happen in the process. वो तो होना भी चाहिए. नहीं तो फिर वो इतना perfect process नहीं होता. So, but I think yes, ultimately we finalized the schools. Then we started to apply, started working on the SOP essays, because SOP essays का भी अलग requirement रहता है.
Okay.
Across psychology. तो उसमें आपका पेजेस का लिमिट नहीं होता, बट दे लिमिट यू टू लेट्स से मैक्सिमम 5 पेजेस एंड इट हैज टू बी डबल स्पेस्ड. The
Okay.
content has to be double spaced.
हाँ.
So the content that you write in 2 pages, that if you make it double spaced, तो वो 5 pages की तरह.
Automatically, exactly.
So we focus on the SOPs. I think that was the strength. That was the biggest thing that we worked on. क्योंकि SOPs अगर हमारे strong नहीं है SOPs and CV, then आपका profile alone wouldn't stand out.
Agreed.
So that was the major time जो हमारा SOPs में गया. But I think once one single SOP was finalized, we used it as a master
Uh-huh.
to make SOPs for the rest of the universities. So that is the whole timeline.
Perfect. So, Chavi, for you, what was your process to select universities? Apart from Texas as a location. Yeah.
Yeah, so I think curriculum really matters
Huh.
and what practical exposure you are getting. Karthik sir always told me कि curriculum देखो और कुछ मत देखो, you focus on the curriculum because if I'm pursuing the course and I'm not really invested in the curriculum, I don't like the curriculum, तो obviously फिर वो उसमें मैं invested feel ही नहीं करूँगी and वो demotivated हो जाएगा. So first criteria was curriculum कैसा है, is it comprehensively covering all the aspects of the psychology, clinical psychology or counseling psychology, whatever I want to. And apart from this, internship और ये सब कितना ज़्यादा है, because when I was exploring all the universities, तो कई universities were only focusing on the theoretical part, practical exposure was zero and the कईयों में खाली practical exposure था. So at the end of the process we finalize the universities जिसमें एक proper एक balance बना रहे, which will help me to learn the theoretical basis also as well as apply it in the diverse population.
Got it. And even अभी जो SOPs की बात करिए, how were the essays for you?
So it was initially very daunting because पूरा analyze करना like इंट्रोस्पेक्शन ही हो गया, स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पर्पस राइट करना. तो सो एनालाइजिंग माई होल जर्नी सिंस द स्टार्ट, बिकॉज उसमें आपको राइट करना होता है फॉर द फैमिली बैकग्राउंड एंड ऑल ऑल्सो. सो प्रॉपर लिखना अपने चाइल्डहुड के बारे में, फैमिली कल्चरल एंड ऑल, एंड उसके बाद अपने शॉर्ट टर्म लॉन्ग टर्म गोल्स राइट करना. व्हाट how do you see yourself in the next 5 years? So I mean, I know we cannot predict down the line 5 years क्या होगा, but थोड़ा सा it was difficult for me, but with Karthik sir's help I was able to like jot down some pointers. Then हमने I think multiple drafts वगैरह बनाए थे. After that we formalized a structured one. I think it was for SFSU for the first.
So SFSU का was the first application, San Francisco State, that we
Yes.
picked up. तो सैन फ्रांसिस्को स्टेट का देयर इज वन स्मॉल इंसिडेंट. तो उसमें क्या हुआ कि देयर वर सर्टेन फॉर्म्स, सो दे डोंट टेक योर CV into, they take your CV into consideration, but they have their own forms. So I sent the forms to Shavi. So उसमें भी हमें पता था कि paid experience नहीं है, unpaid है, clinical experience and hours आपने कितना invest किया है. So it was very detailed. So we started filling that. तो उसमें भी 2-3 बार forms हमने सीख किया, चाहिए गलत है, चाहिए ऐसे भरना है, अच्छा कैसे भरना है, अच्छा इसमें हमें क्या लिखना है, कितना hours हमने invest किया. So that to and fro was happening a lot in SFSU. Then again जब हम SOP पे आए, so SOP was again as Chavi said कि उसमें बहुत daunting था कि एक बार हमने उसको बनाया, 4-5 ड्राफ्ट बैठे, अच्छे से लिखा, देखा, फॉर्मेटिंग सही बैठे, because you can skip anything, you can add anything, but आप formatting को skip नहीं कर सकते. You have to be very particular कि आपका जो formatting यूनिवर्सिटी ने लिखा है, even it was कि top margin, below margin, bottom margin, left right margin कितना होना चाहिए, क्या font होना चाहिए, font size क्या होना चाहिए. So it was that specific, and I think उसके बाद SFSU का जब SOP हुआ तो I think it came out to be perfect. So I think it took us 1 week to prepare the SOP and just get the applications formalized. That was the first application.
Nice. So, Chavi, since you have now gone through the entire process, according to you, what should be the ideal steps that one should take if they are a study abroad aspirant for psychology?
I think profile enhancement is the priority thing that a person should focus on, because when even I was giving interview जो university थी उसके लिए, so the professor that was taking the interview actually pointed out the practical part that was there in my CV. They didn't focus on the publication aspect or the certification courses and all. They just asked me what practical exposure do you have, because in India जो universities हैं आई डू नॉट बेसिकली यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ दिल्ली में LSR में इतना प्रेस्टिजियस कॉलेज है, बट स्टिल आई कैन से कि एक साइकोलॉजी इज अ सब्जेक्ट जिसमें यूनिवर्सिटीज लैग करती हैं. अब डेवलपमेंट स्टार्ट हो रही है, जो RCI ने न्यू कोर्सेज इंट्रोड्यूस करे हैं. So this is the I think doing internships in various hospitals will allow a person to actually develop your profile as well as learn how you will be able to actually ऑब्जर्व कि कैसे साइकोलॉजिस्ट जो है वो थेरेपी ले रहा है, काउंसिल कर रहा है किसी को, हाउ असेसमेंट्स आर डन, साइकोमेट्रिक असेसमेंट्स आर डन. सो आई थिंक ये वाली जो चीज़ है, डूइंग इंटर्नशिप्स एज वेल एज रिसर्च पार्ट, बिकॉज आई थिंक व्हेन यू आर परस्यूइंग बैचलर्स, सो इतना ज़्यादा उसमें रिसर्च में एम्फोसिस नहीं दिया जाता, बिकॉज थीसिस इन इंडिया बैचलर्स में नहीं होते. सो आई थिंक एक रिसर्च तो होनी चाहिए एक एडिशनल, बिकॉज इट will help you also gain understanding कि कैसे statistical methodology वगैरह करी जाती है, and it will give you an edge when it comes to applying abroad.
Got it. And currently, what is the long-term vision that you are carrying? कि अगर पहुंच गए, then what?
My long-term vision is to be a licensed professional counselor and work in a hospital setting, because like I have seen people struggle through their personal issues that are there, and they are not able to actually speak up, because mental health is an issue that is just dismissed, because whenever we are having a physical cause, we immediately go to a doctor, but actually depressed हैं या कोई suicidal thoughts वगैरह आ रहे हैं तो हमें लगता ही नहीं है. इवन हम कई बार अपने पेरेंट्स या फ्रेंड्स से बात करते हुए भी डर लगता है. सो आई थिंक एंड मेंटल हेल्थ प्रोफेशनल्स आर अ नीड ऑफ एन आवर. कोविड के बाद importance आई है. So yes, I actually see myself, my vision is seeing myself working in a hospital setting and helping clients to become a better version of themselves.
Agreed.
So, Chavi, I think ये जो long term vision है, this is something which is very inspiring. I think for the students as well, जो अभी पढ़ रहे हैं, जो अभी सोच रहे हैं कि बाहर जाना है, कुछ थोड़ा स्ट्रगल भी कर रहे होंगे कि अच्छा कैसे करें, इंटर्नशिप्स कैसे करें, राइट? यू हैव बीन इन दिल्ली, राइट? कई स्टूडेंट्स मुंबई में होंगे, राइट? देयर विल बी स्टूडेंट्स अक्रॉस द स्टेट, अक्रॉस द कंट्री, राइट, जो सोच रहे होंगे कि साइकोलॉजी करना है. सो currently if I say कि आप कुछ tips और some problems that you faced and how did you overcome it, तो कुछ ऐसे pointers that you can tell the students who are watching this podcast कि यार उनके लिए कैसे उनको help हो सकता है, and then कैसे वो अपना study abroad journey और better कर सकते हैं if they are even thinking of it.
I think during my bachelor's, I didn't really do any internship because I was very much focused on the curriculum that was there. So I must say कि when you are pursuing bachelor's, you don't be just invested in the course in your graduation. Apart from this, do other things also, like making connections in the field are really important in which you have to work. So LinkedIn is the platform that really helped me to explore कि इस field में चल क्या रहा है, because you need to be updated. And apart from this, you need to do internships, and even if internships में, because regular college में you don't get time to do internships, and weekends पे there are not many organizations that provide internships. So doing small certification courses, attending workshops and all are really very important. I understand the financial aspect also. During the bachelor, student is not really financially independent, but there are many workshops that are free of cost, and they are conducted by much reputed organizations. So it really helps you to broader एक आपको व्यू पॉइंट मिलता है, बिकॉज जब आप कोर्स में पढ़ रहे होते हो, इट इज ऑल टेक्स्ट बुक्स एंड ऑल, एंड प्रोफेसर्स के जो एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं, यू ओनली नो दैट, बट व्हेन यू गेट अ broad viewpoint आपको सबका मिलता है when you actually go outside and see. So yes, I think making connections and doing small certification courses, basically what we did in the profile enhancement. So it is easier, not only if you are चाहते हो आप abroad जाना, उससे it will help you to enhance your skills and abilities and all.
So just to add on to this, I think जो एक NGO वॉलंटियरिंग वाला एक एस्पेक्ट होता है, व्हाट आई फील पर्सनली इज कि उसको वो साइकोलॉजी अगर कोई कर रहा है, देन आई थिंक अ पर्सन शुड डू वॉलंटियरिंग एंड NGO एक्सपीरियंस एज यू डिड, ठीक है, बिकॉज आपको it gives you a lot of different perspectives because आप NGO में जाते हो, you connect with a lot of people coming from different backgrounds, different spaces, different mindsets. तो आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने के लिए मिलता है, particularly psychology, and even apart from psychology, I think the social impact part or the social contribution part is something that helps you to develop your interpersonal skills. And उसको आप चाहे टेक से रिलेट कर लो, आप उसको बिजनेस से रिलेट कर लो, चाहे आप उसको साइकोलॉजी से रिलेट कर लो, बट आई थिंक दैट एस्पेक्ट शुड बी इन द प्रोफाइल बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली जो यूएस के स्कूल्स हैं या इवन नॉट द स्कूल्स बट वैसे भी कम्युनिटी सर्विस इज समथिंग दैट एवरीबडी शुड इन्वेस्ट देयर टाइम इन वंस इन देयर लाइफ. सो आई थिंक ये टिप्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है डेफिनेटली. उसके अलावा आई थिंक अ पर्सन शुड इंट्रोस्पेक्ट as Chavi said because it's not a easy decision to take when you plan studying psychology or any other subject. So I think thinking about that, making yourself understand कि अच्छा मेरा vision क्या है. If you don't understand it, connect with somebody, right? Talk to them and then understand कि अच्छा you are meant for this field or not. So understand it earlier. I think पहले आप समझ लो तो better है instead of taking the regret forward. So I think that's what I would also advise students.
Got it. Perfect. So abhi we have two offers in our hands, right? So one is from Valparaiso University and another is from University of
University of
Texas,
Texas.
right? All right. So we are waiting for more.
Yes, we are waiting for San Francisco State. That was the first
Just get
application.
one word from one. Okay.
So San Francisco State, we are waiting for Pittsburgh
Okay.
State University. Then that course is 10. So we are majorly waiting for that.
All right. So total we applied to 5 schools.
6 universities.
Six universities.
6. So we have like 2 admits, 2 rejects, and 2 wait.
No, we have 2 admits. 2 we are already waiting for.
Yes.
One we dropped in between क्योंकि उसका course and curriculum was something which was not as good as that and
Okay.
as good as the offers that we have.
Hmm.
So we dropped that and one is on waitlist, we can say that.
Wait list. ठीक है. And once we have confirmed everything, then we'll start with the visa process.
Okay.
Yeah.
ठीक है. All right. So Chavi, just wanted to ask you, how exactly did you finalize कि यार ठीक है अब I have to start with Ace My Prep? How did you come across us?
So basically, my dad really helped in this process.
Uh-huh.
So I used to meet consultants and all, and I used to say that this is the particular course that I want to do, and they will just show me the list of universities that are there in which I need to apply. They didn't really consider what my needs are, what my aim or goals are. So when I initially had a conversation with you only. So you actually understood what I really want to do, what my aspirations are. So I really felt that you guys are invested in the student. You guys actually know the subject matter in which the student needs to, move forward. So yeah, that's a particular thing, the personalized approach that really caught me and I enrolled here.
All right, great. And then you got your career started with Karthik, right? So your experience with Karthik, how has it been?
I think my experience with Karthik sir has been pretty smooth because the one thing I must point out is he is really very adaptable and flexible because while I was involved in various internships and writing articles and also the time crunch I was having was a lot, and so after office hours also we sat and he used to give me his time session करते थे and discussion वगैरह होती थी, and yes, and he has also motivated me various aspects में complex task को small step wise करना because उनको he understood कि from what I am coming from. So उसके accordingly I think कि it really motivated me, and with his support and guidance only अभी तक मैं यहाँ पे आ पाई हूँ.
That's great. Chalo, great. So any genuine feedback that you have for the entire team, जिनसे मिले हो, you have been a part of the process now. So your genuine feedback for the entire team of Ace My Prep.
I think Ace My Prep has been really consistently supporting and guiding me throughout the process, whether it's content team जो SOP वगैरह सब finalize करती हैं and career strategist and all, and even प्राची मैम से मेरी बात हुई थी regarding visa. So I feel everyone is invested and they go that extra mile to actually make the student satisfied in whatever they are doing, and each and every single doubt I can ask kisi se bhi without any hesitation. So that are some pointers that I feel needs to be pointed out.
Perfect. And IELTS यहीं से हुआ था?
नहीं, IELTS सभी पहले से
आपने पहले से लेके आए थे. All right, perfect. ठीक है. So before ending the podcast, this one final question. Some motivational words from your end to the study abroad aspirants out there for US.
What you were
चलो psychology ले लो.
I think you need to be consistent and resilient at the same time, because in terms of career as well, and in terms of emotional turmoil as well, setbacks आते हैं. So one must needs to be upfront, and जो भी आ रहा है बस करना है.
चलो, great. So thank you so much, Chavi, for being here, coming here all the way down and podcast ke laane ke liye. And thank you so much, Karthik, for great insights. If you are a study abroad aspirant, or even if you are a parent of an aspirant, just know that this process can be overwhelming, but you have to be resilient. You have to go that extra mile, because if you have to achieve the best, you should be the best. See you in the next podcast.